Hey everybody, thank you so much for checking out Foothills Drum Academy. I hope you've enjoyed that clip, and what I wanted to show you is a little bit of what we will learn here as students in learning this instrument of the drums. Not only are we going to learn how to play the drums, but we're also going to learn how to play with other musicians and play in that live setting and create that solid pulse that everybody needs to be able to put on a good show and good musicianship. So you can check out our website, foothillsdrumacademy.com, and you can get all the information of the things and the services that we offer here and that we're able to provide you as a student. So I hope you check us out. I look forward to meeting you, and I hope you enjoy this clip. Thank you so much.